Alright y'all, so we're gonna jump straight into this wig review and install of the Outre Melted Hairline Casella. Like, I feel like I gotta say it like that. Casella. Yes, ma'am. She is 22 inches. And this is gonna be the start of my end of the summer slash beginning of fall wig series. So let's go ahead and get her out the box. And it's been a while since I've worn a Outre melted hairline wig. If you haven't seen any of my other reviews, if you have not seen any of my other reviews on the Outre melted hairline collection, definitely make sure you check them out because they do not miss. Here's a close-up of the stock card of Miss Casella. She does come in a variety of different colors. You can get her in red velvet, tiramisu, fudge sundae, which is the color that I have, peekaboo, pink, flamingo, chocolate caramel. These are all the colors that she comes in. So she does have a variety of different colors that you can get her in. And she is a 22-inch glueless wig. We do have lace on this unit. Now, she like a baby frontal. We do have lace across the whole entire hairline, and then she has a curved side part. So not really a full frontal, but hey, we got a little bit of something to work with. And let's see, the hairline is pre-plucked and she does have some baby hairs as well on this unit. This unit also does come with an adjustable elastic band, and she does have two combs right here in the temple section. And she also does have a comb in the nape section as well. And there are adjustable straps, so you do have multiple ways that you can adjust this wig to your liking. I am going to spray her down for you guys, but typically I just spray my wigs down once and then I normally wear them glueless after that. So this is the color that we have. I have her in the color Fudge Sundae. So she has some pretty highlights and a nice loose body wave curl to her. Running my fingers through her, I am getting a couple of strands of hair. So we did get a couple of strands of hair just running the fingers through her. She is 22 inches. And again, we do have the curved side part, and this is what the lace looks like. So you can definitely see my arm underneath the lace. And I do like how the knots look. They're nice and realistic. And this is another close-up of what the lace looks like on my arm. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and install Miss Casella.
So I require more, better than we ever had before.
Alright y'all, so to melt my lace today, I'm going to be using a new product. This is the Kiss Colors Care Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. Shout out to Miss TJ here on YouTube. She be doing a daggone thing. Y'all, I have been seeing her use this and I'm like, I just had to try it. So this is my first time trying out this lace spray. I have been using Even Down, but you know, I know we're getting away from them. So y'all, I had to go to my local CVS to pick this up. I did see online you can also get this from like Target or Walmart. CVS was a little bit more expensive, but they were the only ones that had it in stock close to me. I did pick this up for about $11.99. I did see Target and Walmart had this for about $8.99. And I didn't see this at any of my regular beauty supply stores. And they're not regular, but my normal beauty supply stores that I go to, I could not find this. Like, they had no idea what I was talking about. So I'm not sure if this is just something that you can find in those bigger chain stores. Not really for sure, but this is the Kiss Colors Lace Bond Melting Spray. And it says, melt your lace and keep it in place, long lasting until your next hair wash. Kiss Color and Care Lace Bond Spray is perfect for daily wig applications and touch-up. It's residue and build-up free and easy to remove. Yeah. We're gonna get into it.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real from the app, better play out. Spending time, wind down, what is takeout. And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking, usually won't.
So here are the final results of Miss Casella. I'm just gonna jump straight into it. She does shed. Y'all, my girl been shedding ever since I took her out the pack. Every single time I run my fingers through her, I'm getting at least 1 or 2 strands. So she definitely does shed. She does tangle a little bit in the nape section, but it's more so on the longer pieces towards the end. So you definitely want to make sure that you have a wide tooth comb on deck, because the wide tooth comb does glide through the hair pretty easily. And like I said, the tangling is mainly at the bottom. Where the shorter layers are, there's not really that much tangling, but once you get to the bottom, you do gotta comb through it a couple times, and then you'll be able to get through the hair. Now, this wig is definitely more on the more natural density, so it's not a lot of hair in this unit. So if you want a wig that's full but not too full, I definitely would suggest this unit. I really do love the layers on this unit, the very short pieces that you have at the top, and then it just transitions all the way to the longer pieces. So I really do like that because it does help to frame the face. The only thing I wish is that this was a full frontal, so that way you could play with the bangs on both sides. But I do like how they colored this unit. I love the dark roots and then the transition into the blonde and just the different variations of the blonde highlights. I really do like how they did that. And I really like how easy this lace was to melt into my skin, how easy it was to melt this lace into the skin. And as you guys can see, you definitely want to go back in with the alcohol if you have that white residue from the Kiss color spray. I did peroxide at first, that did not work, that made it worse, so you definitely want to make sure you use alcohol. alcohol would definitely help get it off, and then you can apply some makeup and be good to go. So overall, I definitely would give this wig a 9 out of a 10, and the only reason why I'm giving it a 9 out of a 10 is because of the tangling and the shedding. But other than that, I really do love this unit. This was definitely what I was looking for my end of summer transition to fall with this blonde. Like, y'all, I have been missing blonde on me, like, yes. But you guys, I would definitely say you need to go grab her. And if you want to check this wig out, I will have all the details listed down below in the description box for you guys. And you already know what to do. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below, and don't forget to share this video with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Same way you used to, I require